Hey folks, I'm sitting here by the shore of Heart Lake, which is in the mountains across a small valley from Mount Shasta. I thought I would take this opportunity to talk about what I call my first principle of science. As a scientist who's interested in human dynamics and the way civilization functions, it's quite frequent that I come up against questions that have a political dimension, and so I've done a lot of thinking about how one's science and politics interact. What I've come up with is a two-part principle. The first part is that it is very natural for a scientist to have a political perspective that arises out of what they come to understand through study. So if I was a climate scientist and I came to understand that the climate was changing rapidly as a result of human activity, it would be very natural for me to favor policies and candidates that took an aggressive stance with respect to addressing climate change. The second part of the principle is that it is completely unacceptable for one's political perspective to affect what one comes to believe scientifically. The fact is, things are what they are, irrespective of what we want to be true, and science has to be about discovering what is true, irrespective of one's biases and expectations. So the principle suggests a one-way relationship between scientific study and political perspective. That one-way relationship cannot be violated, and if one sticks to this, one has no problem navigating the border between a scientific perspective and a political one. I hope this has been useful, and I look forward to doing the next video.